Hey guys, in this video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the GAN XS. So let's get straight into it. So this cube was actually a surprise from my parents. I never knew it was going to come, so I'm really excited. And here's the box. It looks really nice. It looks like a very premium box. So let's see what's inside. So over here we got the cube and the accessories. So let's check it out. Alright, so we got this GAN card. Very nice. Alright, so we got the cube inside a box and we got the accessories. So let's take a look in the accessories first. Alright. Okay, so we got a GAN cube bag. Nice. I got a pamphlet, a long GAN pamphlet, and we got some cords. We got the center caps for the GAN robot, and we got the I think this is for the spring adjustment system. So with this, I can adjust the tensions on the cube. Really nice. And we got a card. Alright, so now let's go into the cube. I can't wait. Alright, so let's open it up. Alright, we got the cube out. Okay, so here is the cube. It's really light. It's really light. And you got the GAN logo. Looks really cool. First turns. Wow! That's nice. Wow. First turns, amazing cube. It's really nice. Wow. It's just nice cube. I love it already. Alright, so yeah. You can get this cube at speedcubeshop.com for $59.95. There's 6 different elastic tensioning settings, and you can change them by using this tool that they give you from, with the cube. So the size of this cube is 56 millimeters and it weighs 2.4 ounces and was released in October 15, 2019. You can get this cube in black plastic and stickerless. The key features of this cube is the dual adjustment spring compression system, adjustable magnet strength system. Alright, now let's test corner cutting. Alright. Above 45 degrees right at the box, but yeah, not bad. So guys, in the end, do I recommend this cube? Yes, I do recommend this cube. I would recommend it to anyone if you have the money for this cube. It's just amazing. It's just an amazing cube, but if you're just starting out cubing, I wouldn't recommend this, but I could recommend some other budget cubes, like for example the GEMS or the RS3M 2020 edition. Both of those cubes are amazing, but this cube is just amazing if you want to spend $60 for a Rubik's Cube. This just is amazing. So yeah. That was the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you want to see more unboxings and reviewings. So yeah, peace.